You can see 23 knots, 24 knots. It's a windy day. It's a windy day down here at YCC. As you can see, the boats are rocking around. I don't think we'll be going sailing today.